Hello friends, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified for new videos.
Hello friends, welcome to the channel. I hope you all are getting help from my videos. Today I'll tell you how you can have weather report using Python code. So as in my last video I have created this project, and to have the what is happening. Okay, so I'm creating one more script and naming it as weather report. So I have created that. So first thing first, to get the access of weather, so you need to have a API. So you need to have an API key. So for that I am using openweathermap, and this is the module which we are going to use in our Python code. But for now there are several API keys, paid and free, so we are going to use this time only the free one. And this is the uh, description or configuration for the APIs. So free one, we have 60 calls per minute, no more than, right? So you can just have maximum number of 60 requests in a minute, and so on. We are getting 600, 3000, then 30,000. And these are the features which we have in the API. So current weather API, yes, we have the access, and we can have 5 days and 3 hours forecast API. So this is the feature which we have in our free one. In this feature we can have next 5 days weather forecast, having the 3 hours updates of the weather. And we don't have the below of that. Yes, we have weather maps, and these are the things which are available in free one or so on. So to get the API, we need to click on get API key and start, and one page will open. So this is the page, and you need to sign up. So just click on sign up, and I am already logged into this site, so I don't require that. So I'm just going to API keys. So in API keys you will have this page, and by default you will have one of the key is generated. So we need to copy this API key, so we will copy it later. So in our code, so here first thing first, we need to import the module. So settings, then what is happening, my system is getting slower, don't know why. Okay, so I'm using 3.6 Python version, and the PyCharm I'm using as my editor. So yes, so here we need to search for PyOWM. So this is the API and a Python wrapper around openweathermap web APIs. So just click on install package. It will take some time to install it. So yes, it is installed. Just close it, hit on OK, and now we will start our coding. So first thing first, we need to import PyOWM. Now we need to have the access of our API key. So we need to have an object, and sorry, this is not the API, this is the module. Yeah, so again the dot, we have a method OWM, and we need to give the API key, and other arguments or parameters are by default, or you can ignore them. So now I'm going to copy this and pasting it here as string. Yes, so let's run it and let's see whether we have any error or not. Run weather report. So yes, we are not getting any error. So let's code further. Now we will have this OWM dot, this object has a method of weather at weather at place, and here we need to give the location name. So right now I'm in India and I'm in Delhi, so I'm giving it as New Delhi. And then now we have given the location name of which we are going to have the weather report. So now we will have, okay, so now we need to save the things as place equals to, or we can have the location, then location will have a method get weather, and we need to save it as weather. So now all the weather report will come into this weather object, and now we will print all the reports. Okay, so I am just going to print this as weather. Let's see what we will have. Okay, so we have the object. Now let's have the weather dot, we have some methods where we have the get temperature, and this is having unit by default is Kelvin, and we can give Kelvin as default and Celsius and Fahrenheit. So we will give the Celsius and like this, temperature, and now we will print the temperature, print temp. Let's see what we will have. Okay, so we are getting a dictionary where temperature is average 18.82, then we have max temperature is 20, then minimum temperature is 17, and so on. So if you want to have this one by one, then you need to give a loop, so where key and value in temp dot iter items. So okay, now you can print key and value, just run it. Okay, sorry, so okay, so iter items we don't have. Okay, so in 2.7 we have this iter items, in 3. Or from 3 we have items. There is mistake of spelling also, but let's have this and run it. So yes, we are getting all the keys and values. And now we have some other methods like weather dot get humidity, and we will save it as humidity equals to, and like this, yeah. And now we will print temp, then print humidity like this and run it. So here is the temperature and this is the humidity level of the New Delhi. Let's change the location and let's see New York. Okay, and run it. So this is the temperature of New York. Let's validate it and let's see what we will get. So in Google, New York temperature. So yes, 4 degree is the current temperature and let's see what we have. Okay, so yes, 4.47 and max temperature, let's see what we have. Okay, humidity level, let's check first. 47 and here it is coming 44. So yes, API giving the almost correct details of the weather. So friends, you can use this API and have the, or you can make any application related to weather if you want. So just by these simple lines of code, you can have the weather report. So that's it for this video. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notification for more videos. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.